Now let's click here, wait for a video to load, watch it and get points. No video, check back later. So we are searching for video for you, which watch the whole video to earn points. So I'm waiting for the video to load so that I can watch this video and earn a point. And I think this is the video that is playing here. I think this is the video that is playing here on this app, and this app is easy to use. Just be patient, wait for the video to play until the countdown, this one that you are seeing here, it finishes. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom. Now I think we have finished watching our video. So I have watched a video and I've gotten 4 points on this app. You can also do a survey, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to watch another video. Let me click watch another video. Maybe you don't like surveys, you can just watch videos and then wait for the points to be guaranteed to your dashboard or to your account. So just wait patiently, watch videos, wait patiently. Once the timer comes here, you will earn some points on this app. So the timer is clicking. 2, 3, 1. Since the timer has clicked, congratulations. Apart from watching videos, you can do other things. For example, you can listen to music, daily mission unlocked, earn daily bonus points. You can listen to music, you can charge your phone, you can take surveys, then earn money. Now you need 2,600 points to get $0.10 on PayPal. You need 4,200 points to get $25. So you need around 10,400 points to earn $1 on this app. Or you need 28,000 points to earn a $10. Now you can also invite more friends and earn up to $2 for every invite. So when you invite your friends, you earn money. It is as easy as that. There's no any hard tasks here. You just listen to music, you just play videos, just watch ads, and then you earn money. And you can watch videos during your spare time. For example, if you are in a ghetto and you have free Wi-Fi, better to collect this $0.1. For example, if you are here in Kenya, it's almost 10 to 12 shillings by just watching an ad or watching a video. Collect these things, zitakusaidia. They can help you to buy a coffee, or whether you're watching this video from anywhere, you can collect this $0.1. They can help you a lot. Now on this app, you can play games, you can do online shopping, you can scan receipt, or you can do micro tasks. Let's click on micro task here. Now we have micro tasks here. These are the tasks that they require you to do. We have of $0.35. We have of $5. Sorry, $0.15. $0.3. Or you can watch a video, then you earn money. Now let's go back again. Now you can also play games here. You can play Review, Torox, Digital, Turbine, My Chip, and you earn from $0.1 to $100 depending on the instructions. You can also fill surveys. You can fill surveys from BitLab, CPX Research, and Prime Earn, all on this website. You can shop various products and participate in free trials. Now this is the best app that you can watch and earn. Now let's try to watch another ad here and see how much we are going to earn today.
Vous aider à échanger de la façon la plus rentable possible. Un seul clic. Pocket AI est juste un essai. Voici Pocket AI par Pocket Option, conçu pour ceux qui apprécient la facilité et la simplicité. Ouvrez des échanges avec jusqu'à 92% de rentabilité en un seul clic, pendant que l'intelligence artificielle s'occupe de l'analyse, pour vous aider à échanger de la façon la plus rentable possible. Un seul clic. Pocket AI est juste un essai.
Now we have earned $0.08 and the threshold is $20. So the more you watch ads, the more you move near to withdrawal threshold. And remember, this app is a legitimate free-to-join platform, and it pays users for completing microtasks like surveys, playing games, and watching ads. It is not a scam, it is a real app or platform.